Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Honor 8. First of all, access Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select Send on Xiaomi and Receive on Honor. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only go with one photo from Photos category and tap Send. Then click Got it, and from here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Honor, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, Files app, select in my case Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!